How to sell a used excavator. When it comes to selling an excavator, the best place to do this is on Truck and Trailer. It's advised that as much information is given as possible about the excavator being sold, and information pertaining to the following points will go a long way in helping you to sell your excavator. Sellers must provide all the basic listing information relating to application, make, model, price, hours of operation, and year. When it comes to providing a detailed description of the unit, sellers should explain the reason for the sale of the excavator, provide information regarding its past working life, detail its current working condition with reference to the loader bucket, the boom and stick, or hydraulic systems, the engine, the tracks and rollers, steering, pedals, and controls. Providing this information to your potential buyer will go a long way in assisting them to make an informed buying decision and an easier sales process for the seller. Sell your trucks, machinery, and equipment on Truck and Trailer, South Africa's leading commercial marketplace for trucks, machinery, and equipment.